Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us uh, through the number that is provided on the channel, and in this video you can WhatsApp us. So we are looking into real exam questions. The one that we're gonna cover today is Darenth Road to Oldford Road. So let's look into this. So again, we've got these 2 points. The green one is the starting point, and this is our destination point. So from here we can see that we need to come down to this red point, and it's slightly towards the right side of this point. So let's zoom in. So this is our starting point. So click on that, come outside. So keep going down from here, don't touch the side lines like always. So you're coming down, like I said, the point is down there, so we'll just keep on coming down from here. So we are looking for the most direct and simple route, and again taking the roundabout from here. So you're gonna come down here. Let's zoom out just to see where exactly we need to go. So you can see this point is here. So from this roundabout we can, from here we can go inside here. Right, so I just come down again. So keep coming down from here. And from here I'll take this road here. And because we need to go down, so again come down here. This is the station line, so that's okay. So that shouldn't be a problem. So you keep going down. So keep coming down from here. And also from here, we'll just take this road. So we're just following the same road if you see here. So there's nothing change here. So we can see our point here. So we'll keep on coming down from here, down towards the red point that we can see, and we can simply come down here and then just take the left from here, and this is the point. So click on the point as well. So let's have a look. So zoom out a bit just to show you the route that's being created, so you can see quite straight and simple route. So it is a bit slightly longer route, but it's much easier. There is nothing special in this route, but these kind of routes also you'll find in your exam. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.